Hey, what's up, y'all? Back with another video. Um, I'm actually right now just was taking a look at a panel discussion from Julian, the guy from 10x. I'll probably link a link in the description. Um, and he just said something that was pretty interesting to me. He just said that people underestimate what governments are going to do with blockchain. He said most people think that governments are against blockchain, but he says in the next coming years, if you were to include, well, he thinks that the biggest change going forward will be private chains, not the public chains like we see primarily now. He said once you start to include private chains, if you choose to do that on CoinMarketCap, he said Bitcoin probably won't even be in the top 100. That's what he assumes will happen. Um, so he's in this space. He's probably talking to a lot of businesses, a lot of people, and this thing is real. It's coming. We all know it is. It's just really coming to fruition now. Um, yeah, and I just think that it's crazy to look, where we could be in 5, 10 years, especially 10 years. We could be, who knows where. Um, but today, in addition to that, the other thing I want to talk about is I think I found a new coin which I'm going to choose to take some risk on and start to invest. I've already purchased some as of now, um, and I'm probably going to continue to buy over the next few weeks, maybe few coming months, um, in my quest to again start to accumulate these smaller uh, market cap coins, which have the potential to take a huge rise in the next coming months, years, and so on. So the coin I'm looking to get into now is called We Trust. The symbol is TRST. Right now it's trading at about 29%. I'm sorry, 29 cents. Um, as per coin market cap. Um, so why reach We Trust? So first off, it has a total supply of 100 million coins, which is very very good, I would say. Um, I like to stay within that range if I can. 100 million or less is always a good number for me to see, just in my coin search. The market cap is currently at 27 million. So definitely a small market cap. Over the last 24 hours, it's been about 500,000 in volume traded on the markets. The biggest trader is Bitrix, which I like to use. So right now, this looking like something that um, I will definitely be continuing to dive into. So about We Trust. Basically, We Trust is like it's going to be a variety of different things. It's basically a money savings, insurance, lending platform. Um, so they have a trusted lending circle. They're gonna have the ability for you to build a credit profile, decentralized peer-to-peer lending, and community risk sharing, which is more like insurance. Providing insurance. You're assuming risks as a community. Um, so it seems like something that I would probably look into myself to take advantage of. They also have something that they're launching very soon, I think. It's just called the Rosca. I haven't heard of it as that term before, but I've heard of the concept where you put in a community of people decide to put in a certain amount of money um, every month So you'll put in $100 every month. The thing is, out of 12 people, say you put $100 every month. So that's $1,200 a month. So you would do the 100 on a monthly basis throughout the year. One person from the group that first month would get the full 1,200. The second person would get the full 1,200. The third person the third month would get the full 1,200. So it speeds up the saving process for some people over the course of the year. Even worst case scenario, at the end of the year, you have saved originally what you put in throughout the year, so you'll get that back in the 12th month. Then you change positions for the next year, so you'll get paid maybe the last month of December, and that for this year, then next year you'll get paid on on January. So you may get 2 payments in a row, and then you'll just have to keep contributing $100 for the remainder of the year. So yeah, it's something that I would have to take a look at a little bit more to see how it would play out, and the details of it really. But it's something that you would have to at least think about. Yeah, trusted lending circles. They can allow you to build a credit profile, decentralized peer-to-peer lending, and community risk sharing. Definitely with this decentralization, we're going to need lenders, and we're going to need insurance, and those are the things which I think could probably pop up and serve a wide variety of people very soon. If I had the opportunity to put some of my coins in a decentralized insurance plan or decentralized lending where I could earn interest on my crypto, I would definitely take advantage of it now. As I'm holding, if you could also earn interest on that holding, that would be awesome. So look at WeTrust. It's definitely something to look at. George Lee is the CEO. Patrick Long is the COO. You'll want to do a little bit of research on these people. They seem to have a strong team. They also have the golden hen, Vitalik Buterin, as one of the advisors. So what we've seen, what I've noticed is that a lot of companies who have Vitalik also do well, just based on the fact that they have Vitalik as an advisor. I think Q4 they're looking to release the ROSCA program, which is the lending program I just spoke about, and also they're going to look to release the credit profile portion of their roadmap. So I'm going to start. I've already started to invest in WeTrust. I'm going to continue to pick up more WeTrust. I think it can only go up from here with a market cap of 25 million, 100 million coins. The team, Vitalik on the board, in the actual concept and idea of lending circles, decentralized risk groups. I think it's something that could definitely work. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at right now.